Hey guys, I'm Lockie. We've been using car clips here for around about 3 years. That's how long I've been here anyway. I work at Harrows. Really easy to use. They're all put into clip categories, and so they're very easy to find your clips and fasteners. Here we bring in around 15-20 cars a week. Some of them are big jobs that have had their fasteners broken, so having these full all the time makes it really easy for us to put our jobs back together and get them out as fast as possible. Over here we have one way of recording the clips. Basically, if you if I order 5 of these screw clips, I'll write down the screw clips that I used, how many I used, and my job number. A lot of the boys do that throughout the day, and then at the end of the day they'll get recorded on the Car Clips website. We also have another way online with this tablet. We just go into the app and scan the QR codes, and again it's very easy and very fast to find the fasteners that you want to order. We also have these clips in these clips and fasteners in these red drawers, and I find that they are quite jumbled up and hard to find, whereas the clip station has, not only are they colour coded, but they range from different sizes. So you have, your 6.5mm, 6mm, 7mm, 7.5mm, etc. So again, it's a lot easier to find what we need to use for our vehicles and putting them back together.